Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to speed up a video using the Filmora mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Filmora app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap on New Project. Now select the video you want to speed up from your gallery. Tap Import to bring it into the timeline for editing. Tap on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes active. You will see a row of editing tools appear at the bottom of the screen. Now swipe through the bottom toolbar until you find the speed option. It might look like a speedometer icon or say speed directly. Tap on it. Now you will see a slider that lets you change how fast or slow the video is. Slide it to the right to make the video faster. You can choose speed like 2x, 4x or even 8x depending on how fast you want it to go. You will see a preview so you can check if it looks right. Once you are happy with the speed, tap the check mark or OK to apply the change. You will now notice the clips become shorter in the timeline because it moves fast. Finally, tap the export icon at the top right of the screen, choose your video quality settings and save it to your phone. And that's it. You have the speed up of video using the Filmora mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.